the brochure rack without the glass and panel above. This one shows with the glass front and the wood panel in place. And they simply slide in and out of the slot above. Okay. Then, if I turn this around, you'll see the back side of the rack. There's a ledge, and then what I call a kickstand, which holds it off the wall. The whole piece stands off the wall at an angle, and this is the mounting plate that first is mounted to the wall. And once this is mounted to the wall, then this ledger on the rack will just rest on this. And while that's resting, you'll have 6 holes here to run your screws that will hold the rack to the mounting plate.